Hey everyone, today we're diving into a quick guide on how to turn off cozy mode in the message display on Discord, especially with the latest update. If you prefer a more streamlined chat experience, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your Discord application. Whether you're using it on your desktop or laptop, the process is pretty much the same. Once you've got Discord up and running, you're ready for the next step. Next, look for the gear icon, usually located at the bottom left of your screen, right next to your username. Click on that gear icon to enter the user settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, scroll down the left sidebar and find the Appearance option. Click on that to access the appearance settings where you can customize how Discord looks and feels. Once you're in the appearance settings, scroll down until you see the message display section. This is where you can adjust how your messages appear in your chat windows. Finally, to turn off the cozy mode, simply select the compact option from the message display settings. This will give your messages a more compact view, allowing for a clean and efficient chat experience. And that's it. You've successfully switched off cozy mode in Discord. Enjoy your chat with a more streamlined appearance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy chatting.